We have a giant smash burger. I don't know if you can see the size of that bun, but it's the size of a dinner plate. I made that up last night. And we got 3 pounds of ground beef. We got some feta cheese. We got onion, some Worcestershire, some garlic and salt, and some black pepper. We get this thing all fixed up in that. I'll show you how it looks as we go along. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get this meat seasoned up. I got a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. You got to watch adding too much type of liquid to your ground beef when you're making smash burgers though. You won't get that good sear on it. Alright, just going to take through that. Put a Worcestershire in, add some salt. This is sea salt with garlic in it, so that's pretty good. Add a bunch of this in there. That's good for the inside. I'll put a little bit on the outside too. It's 3 pounds of meat, so it's quite a bit. It's going to be a big burger. I'm just going to make 2 patties for this giant bun I made. I just like to add a little bit of pepper to it now that way it gets it inside the meat too. Hey guys, if you guys got one of these hand mixers, if you got those spiral blades for it, it makes a real nice, quick, easy way to mix up ground beef. Mix the seasonings in without overworking the meat too much. It's a nice way if you buy a packaged meat from the grocery store to like loosen it all back up for making smash burgers. You don't want a really tightly packed ball when you go to smash it. Add a little bit of red wine vinegar to it. Some onions. Alright guys, these onions are about done here. We're going to get them off the skillet here. We'll make sure you keep these onions nice and hot, so when you put it on top of the burger and that, you put the cheese down on the burger and then use the hot onions to melt the feta cheese. Alright guys, we're up to temp here, so we're going to get these things on here and get them smashed. Nice loosely packed ball here. This helps you smash it so don't stick to your spatula. I got a little bit of a bigger spatula here. And I'm talking to smash on this side and a couple on the other side. Alright guys, we're going to get this smash burger chicken flipped over. I'm going to take and cheat a little bit though when I go to flip this. Take it up with my giant spatula like so. Put it on this black thing. It's like one of those silicone pads. But one of the ones you can put on a grill. Take and flip that on over. Slide it on. If you put this thing right on the grill, it don't matter. They might go right on like your charcoal grill and stuff. So I use a little bit more color around the outsides of this, but we'll get it all browned in there. There's one smash burger. Alright. Alright guys, now it's time to assemble this thing. I think we'll throw on some ketchup first on the first patty. On top there. Put the feta cheese on it. Actually, put a little bit more ketchup up on top there. Onions nice and hot now. We get them up here on this cheese, get the cheese all melted. And we're going to top off with a little bit more ketchup. Alright guys, time for the top of this thing. Ready? Mm-hmm.